里呢？这边呢？
Now at the Danxia Rainbow Mountains. They are not far from Zhangye. I think maybe an hour's worth driving. And we're gonna climb up to the highest of them and see if they really look like a rainbow mountain, like you see everywhere online. It's a bit of a climb and it's a little bit hot, but it should be worth it. Wow, look at this, so pretty, especially that part, so pretty. Oh, I can only imagine what it looks like when the sun is down a bit farther. Really pretty, and it's just as pretty as like in all the photos I've seen. It is really like so many colors, so cool. The boys are doing time lapses, which is good for me because that gives me some time to walk around and enjoy the view, which is good because the view is really nice. I really enjoyed it. When we first drove in here, I was a little bit skeptical because it didn't look so great yet, but now I'm here up at the top and it looks just really gorgeous. Finish today's vlog here. It is late, it's 9 o'clock, it's still light here. We're going to go in the car and drive to Urumqi, our next destination. So I'm gonna say goodbye to you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did so, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.